Decadent Coffee and Armagnac Parfait recipe. Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're going to indulge in a delightful treat that combines the rich flavors of coffee with the subtle sophistication of Armagnac. Get ready to make a coffee and Armagnac parfait that will leave your taste buds singing. Ingredients: 1 cup of strong brewed coffee, 2 tablespoons of Armagnac, French brandy, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, chocolate shavings for garnish. Instructions. First, we'll brew a strong cup of coffee. You can use your favorite coffee beans or espresso for an extra kick of flavor. Once the coffee is brewed, let it cool to room temperature. Next, we'll add 2 tablespoons of Armagnac to our coffee. This French brandy adds a touch of elegance and depth to our parfait. Give it a gentle stir to combine, and then set it aside while we prepare the cream. In a separate bowl, whip up 1 cup of heavy cream until soft peaks form. Once we have soft peaks, we'll add in a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. These ingredients will sweeten and flavor our cream. Continue whipping until we reach stiff peaks. This will give our parfait a light and airy texture. Now, gently fold the coffee and Armagnac mixture into the whipped cream until well combined. Be careful not to overmix, as we want to maintain the fluffy texture. Once our parfait mixture is ready, it's time to assemble our desserts. Spoon the mixture into serving glasses, creating layers of creamy goodness. For the finishing touch, sprinkle some chocolate shavings on top of each parfait. This adds a touch of decadence and complements the flavors perfectly. And there you have it, our coffee and Armagnac parfait, a luxurious treat that's perfect for any occasion. Serve chilled and enjoy the harmonious blend of coffee and brandy flavors in every spoonful. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Until next time, happy cooking.
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.